Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign up for your Audible account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go to any browser you want and simply search for Audible. And finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead into your Audible. You can simply go ahead and click on this first link right over here which says 30 days free trial and stuff, but that is not the website. You want to go down here into audible.com right over here, as you can see, and you're going to be on their official page right over here. And on the top right, you can see there is a sign in button. You want to go ahead and click on that. And finally, what you want to do is simply click on create your Amazon account down over here, because Audible is owned by Amazon and you'll have to go ahead and create your Amazon account in order for you to go ahead and log in into your Audible account. So basically, you want to go ahead and enter your name, you want to go ahead and enter a email, and then go ahead and enter a password and simply click on create your Amazon account, and a verification link will be sent to your email address and your account will be verified and will be created. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.